How to install a new Minecraft launcher. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to download and install the new Minecraft launcher, you want to open up your Microsoft Store. For this, click on the store icon or click on the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Then click on that. Once you have opened the Microsoft Store, make sure that you have signed into your account. If you haven't done that already, make sure to log in. Now you want to click on this search button and then search for Minecraft launcher. Once you have found it, here you will find the get option. Go ahead and click on that. Then the downloading will begin. If your download freezes, you want to exit out of the Microsoft Store and then click on the search bar and search for Xbox Console Companion. Open that and that's going to refresh your download. So head back to Microsoft Store and check if the downloading has been completed. Once it has been completed, in order to install, you can click on the play button over here or click on the search bar and search for Minecraft launcher. Then find the new Minecraft launcher and then click on that. Once you click on it, it is going to launch up. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.